8 surprising benefits of clove water and how to make it. Welcome to today's video, and thank you for joining us as we explore 8 surprising benefits of clove water and how to make it. Before we dive into the benefits, let's quickly go over how to make clove water. All you need is a few cloves, water, and a pot. Simply add 5 to 6 cloves to a pot of boiling water and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, strain the water and let it cool down. And there you have it, your very own clove water. Now, let's move on to the benefits of clove water. 1. Boosts immune system. Clove water can boost the immune system due to the presence of eugenol, a compound that increases antibody secretion and enhances B cells, optimizing the immune response against pathogens. Additionally, eugenol has been found to have significant anti-cancer effects, promoting cancer cell destruction, reducing inflammation, inhibiting metastasis, and more. 2. Regulates blood sugar. Clove water lowers blood sugar by slowing glucose absorption in the gut, decreasing new glucose generation in the liver, and increasing glucose consumption by muscle cells. These steps assist lower blood sugar levels, particularly after meals, and can guard against chronic blood sugar spikes, which can contribute to type 2 diabetes. Clove water has both immediate and long-term effects on blood sugar, making it an effective natural therapy for controlling blood sugar levels. 3. Improves digestion. Clove water is known to improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which help break down food in the stomach and intestines more efficiently. Additionally, clove water contains fiber, which aids in the prevention of constipation and eases digestion. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves may also help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, further improving digestion. 4. Relieves cold and cough. Clove contains compounds that may help soothe cough and respiratory discomfort, reducing inflammation in the airways, combating underlying infections, and acting as an expectorant to thin mucus and make it easier to expel. The antimicrobial properties of cloves can help fight off infections, providing relief from cold and cough. 5. Relieves toothache. Clove water relieves toothache by using the natural antiseptic and anesthetic properties of eugenol, a compound found in cloves. When cloves are steeped in water, the eugenol is released and can be used as a mouthwash or applied directly to the affected area to help numb pain and reduce inflammation. This remedy has been used for centuries to alleviate toothache symptoms and is still recommended by dentists today due to its effectiveness. 6. Promotes liver health. Clove water helps in the production of bile, which is essential for liver function. Clove water also benefits the liver by providing antioxidants, which can help detoxify the liver by neutralizing harmful toxins and promoting liver cell growth. Additionally, eugenol, a compound found in cloves, may help reduce signs of liver cirrhosis and fatty liver disease, improving overall liver function. 7. Relieves menstrual pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can help relieve menstrual cramps and pain. These properties reduce the production of prostaglandins, compounds associated with menstrual pain. Prostaglandins cause the uterus to contract, leading to discomfort and cramping. By incorporating cloves into your diet or using clove oil, you may experience natural relief from cramping and discomfort during menstruation. 8. Improves skin health. Clove water improves skin health by providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, fighting acne-causing bacteria, and promoting skin tone and brightness. Its antioxidant properties help combat free radicals, which can cause skin damage and premature aging. The anti-inflammatory effects reduce redness, soothe irritated skin, and minimize the appearance of acne. Regular consumption of clove water can contribute to a more radiant and youthful-looking complexion. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.